Hey guys, so I got it all prepped here. Got the plastic down just to kind of save some cleanup cost or cleanup time. But here's the before of the bed. Kind of wanted to show you the before, then we'll do the after. So we'll see how this dustless blasting turns out. He's here to start, and I got the tailgate here ready to go also. So he's just getting set up. He's got his hose out, and here's his outfit. Dustless blasting here.
Beehive Mobile Glass.
Beehive Mobile Glass. And I'll post all his information up on the screen here. Pretty nice setup, so we'll go ahead and check it out, and we'll get the filming going and see what she turns out. got the blasting all done. It turned out really good. Even, I mean, down there where I just put that patch panel in, that looks really nice. And the gas door looks pretty good, so, but I'm pretty happy with this. Like I said, still got to patch this up, but now you can kind of see exactly where all the rod is. So that's pretty sweet. And I'll put a little rust converter in the bed here. There's some pitting, some black rust. That's not going to come out, but I'm pretty happy with the way this looks. I'm going to try to take out some of the seam sealer and get that out of the way. And bed sides look super good. I mean, I'm very happy with this. See the old patch panel I put in there. And then the other one right here, so you can kind of check that out. So, looks really good. Looks way good. But that's blasting. I'm gonna end the video for right now. Oh, check out the bed, tailgate. A little bit of rust still right here, but I'm pretty happy with it. It'll be very adequate. Looks nice. Hey guys, to watch me next, I'm going to get the seam sealer out, and then I'm going to start putting some rust encapsulator on some of this pinning, and then going to get it ready to start priming. But I'm going to end this portion of the video, and you can watch the next portion of me prepping this. I've got to get this all cleaned up. I'm sure you guys don't want to see that, but hit subscribe. Check out more of what I'm doing.